All right, back to it. Back to it, and not much to say here. But again, this is our focus. Remember, the focus is the point where the earthquake starts, or the point of first movement. That is right here. The epicenter, which is blue with a striped line up here, is the point directly above the focus. So remember, you can't see the focus because it's underground in the crust, but the epicenter is right above it. And then the pink line right here is our fault line. So this is where, or the fracture where the movement has occurred. So that boundary between those two plates, that's called the fault line. And then lastly, we're going to talk about some of the movements and how the movements, like the rebounds and the waves. So if you look right here, that orange jaggedy line right here is called our fault script. This is where the ground is offset. So it doesn't always happen, but sometimes the ground can move up, down, or side to side when an earthquake happens. Sometimes you can see it, sometimes you can't, but that's because of the movement or the rebound right here at the focus. And then the gray lines here are our seismic waves. Remember, there's 3 types of them: P waves, S waves, and L waves, and they move out in all directions from the focus until eventually they reach the surface of the ground. The further they get away from the focus, generally, the less strong they are. The closer they are to the focus or the epicenter, the stronger the effects of the earthquake. All right, guys, that was it. There wasn't much to say. I wish I would have fitted into the last video. Have a great day. If you have questions, please ask me. Please indicate these lines on your notes. Do the circles. You can use the drawing feature and the circle feature, but this is expected to be on your notes when you turn them in. Have a great day, guys.